This is Hurricane Ridge. We're up at the parking lot. Look at how nice it is up here.
So pretty.
Such a good view. We just came up for a look. We've been here before, and I know there are lots of hikes out into the hills, but we just wanted to come and take a look because we were in the area. This is kind of what you picture when you think of the mountains up here. All right, on to the next spot. Just sitting there with nowhere to go. We made it down the mountain and are in Port Angeles at the pier. Down by the, what is it? The ferry crossing, the ferry loading dock, which is currently not running because Canada's still closed. So it's just sitting there all by itself. It looks so sad.
Oh, look, you can climb up in a tower.
Yeah, we're gonna go climb this tower. You wanna go climb up it?
Reminds me of the bird watching one in Oregon.
Oh yeah. I looked at that place to see if we could stay there, but they were full.
Oh, really?
Yeah. No, they're very spongy. Olympic National Park and the pier and waterfront. The ferry that's not running right now. And then out over this way is Coast Guard Island. You can just barely see it. This whole tower sways in the wind.
It feels very unsafe.
Well, this was worth coming out here for.
Yeah. What a cool view.
We weren't really sure what we were going to do in Port Angeles. But this is neat. The wind's probably making this microphone sound terrible. I should really find out a better way to do audio on this camera. This is a neat view up here.
The lady just threw like big chunks of bait or something.
And then you have mountains and glaciers up above.
That thing.
All right, heading back down. This thing is wobbling in the wind.
Yeah. Oh, this is really
One final stop in Port Angeles, we came out to a lavender field, or a lavender farm. Sue's been wanting to come out to one for a while, and I think we found a good one. Look at the house. It's also a bed and breakfast. Sue's over here looking at all the wildflowers along the driveway. And Olympic National Park is up in there. It's pretty cool. Our last planned stop for the day was the Lavender farm, but multiple people told us we should stop at Granny's Cafe and get soft serve. So on our way back to Forks, we decided to check it out. Worth it.
Really good soft serve.
Mm-hmm. You having problems?
Uh-huh. I have a bug in your hair. Or seeds or something. It's really cute. There's chickens walking around. I can't believe that I get my ice cream and immediately the tip of it falls off and drips 3 spots down my shirt.
That's why we can't have nice things.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. All right, I'll just have to use a stain stick when we get back to the house. Yeah, for Pete's sake. Well, that turned into a completely full day.
Yeah, on our way back to the motorhome. Back to the RV.
We didn't actually expect to be out all day, and yet it's dinner time.
Yeah, we were just going to go to Port Angeles and see what we could see, because we didn't really have a plan for anything. We just wanted to go up there and spend some time. Ended up doing Hurricane Ridge, Port Angeles, got lunch there, and went to a lavender farm, and then got ice cream.
And now we got ice cream.
We'll have to come back to Crescent Lake.
Yes.
What this is.
I think we'll come back to Crescent Lake tomorrow.
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah. It's it's not super far from where we are, but it's a little bit of a drive.
It's a little bit of a drive.
I'm tired.
Yeah, we're heading back to the house to have dinner now. And I'm not sure what we'll do because we don't really have anything prepared, so we'll have to whip something up on the fly. We'll let you know how that goes. So we are back, and Ryan is messing around with our internet. And I made some dinner, kind of cobbled it together from what we had in our fridge. So we're gonna have wonton salad. It's actually Korean pot stickers, and they're chicken and cilantro. We had those in the freezer, so I turned them into a salad, and this is what that looks like. Also, this is what our kitchen looks like. So what this salad entails is shredded cabbage, red bell pepper, chopped cucumber, chopped cilantro, pickled red onions that I made myself, peanuts, and a vinaigrette, and the wontons. So that's what we're having for dinner. Sounds delicious, and I am ready to eat it, although not as hungry as I expected to be at 6:40, which is way past the time that we normally eat, because we had that delicious soft serve from Granny's Cafe. But now that I'm actually talking about having dinner, my stomach has woken up and is like, holla, it's past your dinner time, time to eat, put down the camera. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's been a great day, and this is a great way to finish it up. So see y'all later. Adventuring is tiresome work, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.